Hey guys, it's me, Dr. Pepper.
I'm Agent Goose 64.
And we are finally in the rainforest, which you have all been waiting for. And I guess, let's look for bugs then. Did you find anything?
A chop giant.
Alright,
One.
This looks like Costa Rica or Thailand.
Oh,
Here.
good.
What did you find?
But there's like a chop giant
Alright.
under here.
Don't use too much of the recording, okay?
You find something?
Cut the trap
Did you find
giants.
something? Alright, put the trap giants in here.
Look, these trap giants bite and sting.
Oh, yep. First creature caught trap giant.
Okay, what's under here?
See it, guys? I don't know if you guys can see, but
You can't record like constantly. You gotta like bits and pieces, okay? Because you're gonna use up all the memory.
dang, nah, the trap giants escaped.
Or did it?
You can't have it. Is it still running?
Yep.
Okay, not cool. Okay, you gotta like undo it. I mean, you gotta stick how often you record. You can't be recording the entire time we're here. You're gonna use up all my memory. Do you hear me?
Yeah, here. We're recording a video. Don't embarrass the video, please. Alright,
Okay.
we got another trap giant.
Well, it's not. It's
See?
not another. It's the same one. I just got it back.
Yeah, but you know what I mean. No, we're gonna just find a couple creatures and we're probably gonna stop recording.
John, you're not supposed to be walking way up in there. Really?
I don't know that.
Wait, look, there's like a bird thing. A whole thing of birds.
Also, I got walkie-talkies. I'm gonna talk to my brother.
Wait, I need to find out.
Hi, Dylan.
I heard that. Hi, Max.
Yeah, it actually works.
Oh, look at that, Dan.
Oh, nobody wants to fall in there.
Oh, look at that. There's like banana spiders.
Yep, there's banana spiders. This is like a. See, I told you that there's rainforest in South Florida. I know a lot about nature, so. Yeah, nobody would want to fall in there. This is so nice. Don't you agree?
I agree.
It's so cool in here. Oh, look at
Look
that.
at that. More spiders.
Whoa! That's
One
a,
spider looks like they just caught a meal.
I think we're allowed out in there.
No, we're not.
Look, another Chinese fan palm right there.
Those are some. Look at the thorns on that sucker. You would not want to get stuck by one of those thorns.
Oh, God.
No way. You're not allowed in there.
No, I'm not going in the water.
No, you're not allowed to go in there.
All right. Thorns. Let's see. Ow! Actually, does hurt.
Yep. That could cause some serious.
It's a good thing I didn't go like BAM! My hand on there because that would have sucked. It would have started bleeding.
Look.
A beautiful waterfall.
Oh, a little waterfall.
There's spiders everywhere. Ooh, look, there's even fish down
Yeah,
there.
there's fish. Do you guys see it? All right. I'm gonna zoom in. See this fish.
Drop my phone in the water, please.
All right. So, you know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of Thailand.
Yeah.
Look, look at spider. Dad. Look. Look, there's like spiders.
Awesome, Dylan, come check this out.
Hey, what?
Look. I found an Australian fan palm. This is so rare.
Hey,
Right here. I found it. An Australian fan palm. I've never seen those in Miami before.
Yeah, well, there you go.
But this is not Miami.
But I've never seen it anywhere in Florida before. I can't believe Australian fan palm. Isn't that cool?
Don't destroy it.
Look at this one. This was like all bent. You see that, right?
Yeah.
Look at that tree that just came down.
See, aren't you happy we went here?
I am.
I can't believe they have Australian fan palms in here.
Oh, look. Still more spider webs.
See, there's a lot.
There's a
lot of rare trees and plants in here.
Oh yeah. There sure are.
Dad, look at that. Look how many spiders there are.
Here's a European fan palm right here.
This is a long-jawed orb weaver. I haven't seen these in real life before. Those like big spiders. Those like long-jawed orb weavers. I haven't seen those spiders.
Alright, I'm just gonna enjoy nature.
Max, look, I
So
found
this might get
long-jawed
cut off
orb
later.
weaver.
But don't be surprised if this gets cut off, okay?
Max, look, long-jawed orb weavers.
Yeah, you guys
Spiders
probably-
with those like giant
Do not
fangs.
drop my
Yeah, you
phone
guys,
in the
I
water.
probably can't see that, but
Look at this. It's like cloudy and stuff.
yeah, it's pretty cool. Another Australian fan palm right there. But that one one's like no rips at all, see? Remember, you've never seen those before. Remember? They don't look familiar at all.
No.
Look at long-jawed orb weaver.
You've seen it in tropical and subtropical regions of Australia.
Okay, should I create a battle? Trap giants versus long-jawed orb weaver.
Don't create any bug battles here.
Look.
What?
Oh, never mind.
I'm still wondering.
Philodendron. We have these in our house.
Yeah, there's one like near one of the queen palms, I think. Oh.
I don't see this spider anywhere.
I've got my
Oh, there
trusty
it is.
bug
It's
catcher
very
here.
small. Look at it.
What about a cat? A trap giant.
It's still one bug. Now look at that. Look at those spiders.
I think there's an animal over there. Do you guys hear that?
That's a peacock probably.
Oh, wanna go look?
If you want.
Oh, look.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. What's that over
You're
there?
gonna have to stop that.
Don't worry, I'll stop soon.
This is the reception area.
Oh, you can't get in there.
I
Yeah,
don't see
come
it
on,
out there,
let's go back. So let's go back, come on.
Okay, Dad, let's go.
It's so cool in here. Aren't you happy we went here?
Yes.
You know I'm actually posting this on YouTube, right?
That's gonna be an extremely long YouTube video. Since the long term. Let's go back. But yeah.
Gonna go right?
Look, there's some turtles over there. You see them on the rocks?
Ah, yeah, there are a couple turtles over there.
I see turtles. I left turtles.
Oh, look at the banana tree. Let's see if there's any bananas on here. Nope, no bananas growing yet.
There you go.
See, look at now. Don't climb up there, Tony. All right? I'm not going in there to get you.
Turtles.
have to be real. Not fake.
Turtles are real.
Yeah.
See, just look at it.
Look at the bamboo. Look how big it is.
Oh, that's bigger than the one.
Look at how tall it is.
That's bigger than the one in our backyard.
Show it up there.
Whoa, that's some tall bamboo. Dylan, come on. Look, these bamboo trees are taller than the ones we have at home. Dylan, come on.
They are.
Whoa. I wonder, are there rainforests in Japan?
I'm not sure.
Probably on the islands or something like that.
It's like a brown color.
You caught a millipede? Whoa, that's cool looking. Put it in here.
Careful. Don't let the truck go.
Okay,
Where's the
you
truck
can
going?
never
Oh,
stop
there it is.
And restart and do a part 2. All right.
Alright, I'm gonna cut the video off here. I'm gonna do another part after this. Alright guys, bye.